In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove shortcuts in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spot which items are shortcuts and how to clean them up without touching the original files. First, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you switch between work and personal profiles. Using the right account ensures you're managing the correct drive. Once you're on Google, we'll use the built-in Apps menu to jump straight into Drive. Look to the top right of the page for the grid icon made of small dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the menu. If you don't see Drive immediately, give the menu a second to load or scroll within the panel. This menu is the quickest way to move between Google services without typing addresses. Now, click Drive. Your drive will open to your main files and folders. You can work from My Drive or a specific folder where you suspect shortcuts might be sitting. The interface shows items as tiles or a list, but in both views, shortcuts are clearly marked once you know what to look for. To find a shortcut, scan for items with a small arrow overlay on the corner of the file or folder icon. That arrow is the shortcut badge. Shortcuts act like bookmarks. They point to the real file stored somewhere else, often in a shared drive or another folder. This means removing a shortcut doesn't delete the original content. It only removes the pointer from your view. Take a moment to confirm the arrow is there, so you're working with a shortcut and not the actual file. When you're ready to remove one, click the shortcut once to select it. You'll see it highlight, confirming it's the active item. Double-check that arrow badge again so you don't accidentally trash something you intended to keep in place. With the shortcut selected, go to the top toolbar and click the trash bin icon. If a confirmation appears, approve it. The shortcut will move to your trash. Remember, only the shortcut is removed. The original file remains wherever it lives, accessible to anyone who had access before. If you change your mind, you can quickly undo using the banner that appears at the bottom of the screen, or open your trash and restore the shortcut from there. That's it. By spotting the arrow icon and using the trash button, you can quickly tidy your drive without risking your originals. Thanks for watching, and keep your drive organized and clutter-free.